Hello friends, welcome to our fourth video this week as we look at data visualization with Power BI. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create a stacked bar chart or column chart. My name is Mercy Consolate Akello. Let's get started. So what is a stacked bar chart? Simply put, a stacked bar chart is an extension of the ordinary bar chart, but in this case, you're viewing one numeric value across more than one categorical value. For example, here we are looking at average age by sex and embark, and the bars are plotted such that the values of one category are stacked on top of one another, so that you're able to tell the relative proportions across the different categories. So that's a brief about stacked bar charts. Let's dive into the plotting. So to plot our chart, we come over to the visualization pane. We are selecting the stacked bar chart. Drag this here, come over to the data pane, select age, and then we want to look at average age instead of the sum. Next, we come back to the data pane, select sex, and then select embarked. Now for the modifications, you come over to the visualization pane and select format your visual. Scroll down to our y-axis. Want to make the value bold, increase font size, come over to color, make it black. Then for the title, make it bold. Then let's go over to x-axis. For the values, we want it to be bold, increase font size, change the font color to black. And then for our title, we want to make it bold. That's that. For our legend, we want the text to be bold, increase font size, change the color to black. Then for the title position, we want it top right. Next, we remove grid lines. There's some grid lines, so turn them off. Next, we want to add data labels. So we come to data labels and turn it on. Then we make adjustments to it. So for the position, we want it to be inside center. And for the values, we want them to be bold. We want to increase the font size. Next, we cross over to general. Let's adjust our title, make it bold. Then we come over to effects. Want the visual to have a border, so we turn the visual border on. And then for the rounded corners, we want them to be more visible. So we increase the size to 3. You can increase it to anything of your interest. So that is basically it. Now duplicate this chart, copy, and drag it over here. Then we're going to change this to a stacked column chart. That has been it for this video. If you have enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos as they're released. Thank you and happy learning.